Hello, everyone. Hi, this is Teacher Shane. Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. I hope everyone's doing great. Yeah. Outside today is great also as well, but it's raining. Why is it raining? Well, because there's a storm. And also, well, it was a hot day today, so I'm glad it's raining. Nice and cool. So, guys, Teacher Shane has a story I want to share with you. It's about a girl. Yeah. And our whole class, they have to take a picture together. A class photo. Yes. Do you guys like to take pictures? Yeah, I like to take pictures too. I like to take pictures with my phone. Yes, everywhere I go. So, do you guys want to read the story? Say, yeah. Very good. So, let's get right into it right now. So, this is the story we are looking at. It's called Class Picture Day. Yes. When Teacher Shane was little, I had to take a picture for school. So let's look at it. Everyone, repeat after me. Class Picture Day. Very good. Let's say it again. Class Picture Day. Yeah. Look, there's a teacher, and there are many students taking a picture together. Yeah. Wow, let's get right into the story. I know you guys are definitely going to like this story. Yes. Okay. So here's the story. Yeah. And look, there are 3 kids. And there is a man taking a picture. He said, hey, look over here. And everyone's smiling. Yeah, they're smiling at the camera. When the photographer says cheese, stick out your tongue, said Amy. Okay, said Richard. Okay, I said. So everyone's going to stick out the tongue like this. Yeah, it's okay to take funny pictures with funny faces and ugly smiles. Yeah, it's okay. Everyone likes to take pictures in their own way. Yeah. All right. So let's see what else is happening on the next page. Ooh, look at this. Oh, this is the teacher. And she is showing a photo of the class. And everyone is looking at the photo. The pictures came back. Amy is smiling. Richard is smiling. My whole class is smiling. Yeah, the whole class will smile in a picture. Yeah. And look, Amy and Richard, they are happy. Yeah, I think they like their picture. Okay. Oh, look at her. She doesn't look so happy. She looks sad. I wonder why. Why does she look so sad? Well, let's look at the picture. Look, the teacher smiling. Okay. The last row of kids are smiling. The next row of kids are smiling. They are smiling. But look. She is not smiling. She sticked out her tongue. Look at the kids. They are smiling. But why does she have her tongue out? Was there a mistake? Probably. Okay. Let's see what happens on the next page. All right. Oh, look what she's doing. She's putting her picture in the garbage can. I wonder why. But look, The kids are putting their pictures away. Yeah. Amy put her picture in her folder. This is Amy. She put her picture in her folder. Richard put his picture in his book bag. That's Richard. He put his picture in his book bag. I put my picture in the trash. Wah, 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 wah. Oh, come on. I think her picture is pretty. She has a pretty smile. A funny smile with her tongue out like this. She's throwing it away. I don't think she should throw it away. It's still a nice picture. Yeah. Okay. So now she's going home. But look, she's looking at the picture. And the teacher said something like, hey, you forgot your picture. I don't think she forgot her picture. She doesn't want her picture at all. No, no, no. Just as I was leaving, my teacher said, don't forget your picture. Oh, man. I don't like that picture. Oh, but now she has to take her picture home. Okay, so no school. Everyone is going on the school bus, going home. When I was little, Teacher Shane took a school bus like this, and I went home. Yeah. We got on the bus. Amy showed her picture to the bus driver. She's showing her picture to the bus driver. And they are smiling. It's like, oh, the bus driver is happy. Amy is happy. But look, she is not that happy. She's like, oh, my picture is bad. I don't like my picture. I don't want to show it at all. No, no, no. Okay, now look at Richard. He is showing his picture to his friends. Yeah, they're all smiling and happy on the bus. But look at her. She is hiding her picture. She doesn't want anyone to see her picture at all. No. Richard showed his picture to the big kids. I stuck my picture between the seats. This is our picture right between the seats. Oh, I feel so sorry for her. But her picture is good, right? Yes, it is. Oh, let's see what else happens. Okay, so this is our school bus. Wow. That's a big school bus, right? Yes. And look, she is leaving the school bus. But look, the bus driver said, hey, you forgot your picture. I don't think she forgot her picture. She doesn't want her picture at all. Just as I was leaving, my bus driver said, don't forget your picture. Bop, 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 bop. Oh, she has to take her picture home. Okay, so now everyone's getting off the bus and going home. And they look very happy with their picture. But she is not. Womp, 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 womp. When we got off the bus, Amy ran home with her picture. She ran, I can't wait to show my picture to my mommy and daddy. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, so Richard is running home. He said, bye-bye. I'm going to go home and show my picture to my mommy and daddy. Richard ran home with his picture. But look, she is not running home at all. She said, oh, my picture is bad. But her picture is not. No, it's not. I don't think so. Oh, she's so sad. She's walking with her head down. I put my picture in my dog's house. Look, she put the picture in her dog's house. And the dog said, woof, 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 woof. But guess what? I think the dog took the picture to give it to the girl. Let's see. I think so. Yeah! Look, the dog is going to give her the picture. And she's like, oh no, I don't want that picture at all. Just as I was leaving, my dog ran up to me. He had my picture in his mouth. I had to take my picture home. Oh, she has to take her picture home. I think her mommy and daddy will like her picture, right? Do you think so? I think so. Yeah, I believe so too. Okay. Uh-oh. What is this? This is a marker, right? A red marker? Well, what is she doing with the marker? What is she doing? Is she going to draw a picture? Oh, let's see. So I took out my red marker. And what did she do? Did she draw a smiley face? No? Did she draw the sun? That's an ugly sun. Did she draw a car? Did she? Oh, who knows? Maybe, probably. What did she do on the picture? Let's find out. Here we go. Okay. She's looking at her picture. She's happy. Why is she happy? Oh, I see. Look. She draw pictures of a tongue on all of her classmates, just like her. Yeah, so she doesn't have to feel sad. So now it's a funny picture. Now Amy is sticking out her tongue. Richard is sticking out his tongue. My teacher is sticking out her tongue. My whole class is sticking out their tongues. Like this. Wow, I think that's pretty cool. Very creative. Yeah, that's awesome. Let's go back. Look, let me show you. Okay, this is a picture of our whole class with no tongue. Now, move forward. Right here, guess what? They all have red tongues. Very funny. Yes, indeed. Okay, so now her picture is on the shelf with her other pictures. I think I'll frame this picture. It's nice, right? Yes, it is. It's very nice. Wow, this was a great story. And now we come to an end. Yeah, this was a great story indeed. Class Picture Day. All right, guys. This was another great story to read to you. Yes, I definitely liked this story. Did you like this story? Yeah, me too. thank you everyone for listening to my story. And I hope to see you guys again next time, okay? Bye-bye, everybody!